Hi guys, this is Suhaib Rashid. I'm from Malawi. Yeah, I just want to explain my story about how to get to know Sad Ali, the group about Forex trading for beginners, and yeah, everything about myself in the story of Forex. At first, I didn't know what Forex was, and I didn't know what Forex is, and yeah, I actually didn't know Sad Ali. By then, I had to meet some scammers who were trying to introduce me to these things. Then you know, I couldn't do a business with someone who I didn't know at that time, someone maybe from US, I'm from Malawi. So I see something which is nonsense. So then I had to go through these things, trying to discover what these things are. Then yeah, I got to know them. Now I was like, how should I get myself to trade everything, like everything? Then just trying to look for people on the Facebook. Then I came across this free trading for beginners. Then I joined. Let me see what is in here. After joining, then I saw the website. Then I had to go through the website. Then it was like something which is free, whatever. Then I was like, okay, let me try this. Maybe I might get something from this. Then I eventually do that. I started taking the trainings, learning. Yeah, it took me so long because I had some challenges, but yeah, thank God I had to go through them little by little. Now I think I can conclude myself that I have covered a lot of important stuff. Yeah, maybe I'm just remaining with a little thing. Then getting to know this elderly person, I learned about Bollinger Bands, I learned about moving averages, I learned about support and resistance. Yeah, I learned about Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, I learned about channels. I learned about trend lines. Yeah, I learned about all those things. And yeah, God have to bless this guy. His course is 100% free. I didn't pay anything. I didn't pay anything. And you know, when we're learning in class, it comes sometimes whereby you didn't hear something properly. Then you ask the question to the teacher. Then he also had to give us that opportunity. When we didn't get some concept, then at the group you try to do the exercise, and that's when you ask, hey, how should I do here, how should I do here? And the response was just very fast, very fast. I appreciate all of that coming today. Yeah, I have a lot of knowledge about these things. I can trade, I can call myself a trader. Yeah.